this is the explanation for Bloom 2. Starts out the same way by doing a anti-ferro. That was garbage. Let's try again. Sure, I'll take it. Doesn't have to be perfect to do Bloom. You're gonna do the same thing as Bloom. In Bloom 2, you're just gonna pinch by the very, very tips of your fingers. Same exact thing. And hold with your index finger on this side. You're going to let go of the pressure. Very slowly. As slow as you can. And that's it. That's literally the whole flourish. I'm so sorry that this is another just super knacky move. It's kind of a bitch, but some people get it. Some people it just takes longer. I'm sorry. Just very, very tips, super tight grip, and slowly release the pressure and feel it out. I'm so sorry that it's like so knacky, but it really is just feeling it out, like playing around with it, releasing the pressure very slowly. If a big gap opens, like tightening your pressure. If they're opening slowly, you know, release your pressure a little bit more. It's just feeling around. I wish there was like a secret trick I could tell you, but there's not. It's just open, like release the pressure, and yeah, hope it works. I do find that it's a little bit both releasing the pressure and also pinching down, like taking the two fingers and pinching around the cards. I hope that makes sense. Like coming around these corners, so you're going less from like pinching more to like balancing the fan. But in all honesty, it's just playing around with it. So once you've bloomed, boom, we're in this position. We're going to lay this down flat on our hand, and I'm going to lift my thumb that's pinching this fan. I'm just going to lift it up a bit, like I roll it up just a bit, and that will release all of the outjogged cards. So none of those outjogged cards are now touching my thumb. They've all fallen onto the flat of my left hand. So now all I have to do is pinch and lift up, and more or less, roughly half of the spread remains in my hand. That was a little harder to do because I'm teaching it to you, but I will try it one more time. We get the bloom going. Kapow, I'll take it. We lay it flat. Thumb rolls up just a bit, and now sometimes you do have to give it just a little bit of shake to let all the cards fall out, and then you lift up. And you're Bloom 2-ing, man. That's Bloom 2. I don't have a closer. I'm sorry. Currently, I just place it back and kind of use my first finger to scoop around and then just kind of mush the deck back together. It's not pretty. If you come up with a closer, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see a dope closer for this. I just don't have one. Sorry. So once again, perfect anti-ferro, more or less. You do bloom, let it kind of just open up, lay it down on the flat of your hand, and shazam. Yeah, an idea that Dimitri came up with that would be awesome if you could do it is to, once you've done this, to then come back to this position and put all of those outjogged cards against the right thumb, like push them against, and then come over the top and do like a second bloom on top of your thumb. Just an idea. I don't think either of us have ever done it, but hey, if you can do that, I will repost it, so do that.